Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching the compressor output to the sprayer's requirements. This prevents sputtering and poor atomization. Once done, attach the correct hose and quick coupler, tighten clamps, and bleed trapped air. Make sure to strain and thin paint to the recommended viscosity so the nozzle remains unclogged. Pour into the cup and seat the lid. You'll hear the compressor cycle, let it build pressure, then set the regulator to the target PSI for a steady spray pattern before testing. You now dial and control knobs. Open the fan to desired width, tweak fluid for flow, and lower or raise pressure to refine atomization. Always test on scrap. Keep the gun 6 to 12 inches from the surface and move parallel with steady speed, overlapping each pass by about half to avoid stripes. Make sure the gun stays perpendicular. Change motion, not wrist angle. If buildup occurs, slow down or increase fan. If orange peel appears, increase pressure or thin paint slightly. You finish by flushing the sprayer thoroughly with the correct solvent until clear. Then disassemble and clean the nozzle, needle, and cup to prevent cured residue. Once coats are applied, allow proper tack time and sand between coats if specified, then apply the final finish. If you encounter sputtering or uneven spray, check for moisture in the line, blocked intake or filter, and worn or incorrect tip size. Rectify by drying air, replacing filter, or swapping the nozzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.